Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you some amazing and not so amazing boy-themed baby showers. I know that as event planners and decorators and designers, you think that our work always turns out perfect. That could not be furthest from the truth. So in today's video, I am going to unearth some hidden truths that, now that I look back at my work, I kind of reflect back on things that I could have done better, things that I could have done differently, and things that I did that I absolutely love. And so I'm going to share them with you in today's video. So in this video, I'm going to be featuring all boy-themed baby showers, so I hope you enjoy. So the first shower I want to share with you guys is the shower that I did for my friend Alicia. She was expecting her third boy, and I thought the theme, doggone, it's another little boy, was super cute. I did it in brown and green and shades of blue, and we did it at a local clubhouse. I absolutely loved the way that it turned out. And next up is actually my first candy bar that I did for a boy-themed baby shower. I did not design this one fully. I actually assisted someone else in designing it, and I thought it turned out pretty incredible. Now, the thing that really stands out to me with this baby shower is that it was the first shower that I had done that involved balloon centerpieces, and I was so ecstatic to learn how to do them, and so I started incorporating them into my events after Tangela assisted me with learning how to do this. Now, another thing that I did for this one as well was a cute little banner over the fireplace where all of the gifts were housed during the actual baby shower. And again, I'm going to be linking a playlist that contains the best and worst of my baby showers down in the description box below. And I don't, I use the words worse, but I guess it just kind of combines my progress over the years. And I just wanted to share that with you guys to keep you encouraged. Now, over the years, I've done numerous themed baby shower for little boys, from football themes, such as this Alabama themed baby shower. You guys remember the backdrop with the poster board. I also did a rubber ducky themed baby shower. I did a owl themed baby shower, and I don't even really like owls. I did this cute little boy themed baby shower, Noah's Ark themed baby shower, and I absolutely loved the balloon work that was done there as well. I also did a Southern Gentleman's themed baby shower with top hats and mustaches, and I don't know if you guys remember when the mustache was trending. I also did an elephant themed baby shower way back when I wasn't using chair covers on chairs. Lord have mercy. That was a long time ago. But hey, I've done those, and I just wanted to share them. And then I started to kind of really walk into my own design, and I did this Tiffany themed baby shower with monkeys or bears, I think, and it just turned out so absolutely adorable. I started using chair covers. I did a baseball themed baby shower, and it was super cute, and I used just plain white chairs with that. And then in our church, I remember doing this Roaring 20s themed baby shower, and it just turned out so super cute. And that was my first backdrop. You guys remember the tripod backdrop stands that I used there. Looking back at this, I would not have mixed feathers with the Christmas ornament sprays that you see here. Lord, I don't know what I was thinking. But at any rate, I love the way that this one turned out, the mixture of the florals, and I incorporated a lot of denim. Looking back at this, don't think that I would have bunched so many flowers together. To make the centerpiece, I probably would have spreaded them out a little bit more, but nevertheless, it was a really cute, very original, very different. Again, this is when I started to kind of embrace my own personal style and to start incorporating that into my events. At this one, I also started to kind of venture out a little bit more with the overall design aesthetics and, just adding in those personal touches. As you can see, I also had included a photo booth in it, started to mix and match the centerpieces as well with you know, uh, the lantern there. And I also started to incorporate like candy bars along with my dessert table. So that was that. And then I don't know if you guys remember this shower from the video that I almost ruined my reputation. Well, this is where I started adding decals on my balloons using the Cricut. And I did my first backdrop, and I was doing balloon runners way back then. I also did lots and lots of transformations. I just absolutely love transformations, and this nautical themed baby shower was done for one of our godsons, Aiden, and this was like a hotel room before, and then this was the after effect. And I've done so many baby showers in this space, but this was probably one of my favorites because this is when I started to use the stretch chair covers, and they look so much better than the normal ones. And then I just added so much more on the dessert table with a little roping there and the backdrop. I was just super, super excited about how that all turned out. I also started to incorporate like more floral elements and three-dimensional floating centerpieces, napkin folds. I didn't, start adding the cutlery and glassware yet, but I thought the tables overall look really good. And I think it really transformed the space, and just being able to add all of those different elements added so much to the space overall. Now, this was a moment that I was so proud of. I had kind of dreamed about a shower of this magnitude for quite some time, and I hired a videographer to come in and do the videography for this shower. It was a teddy bear themed several years ago. As we know, teddy bears are very popular now, but I was just so super proud of like the mix and matching of the centerpieces, also the color palettes as well. I thought it turned out absolutely phenomenal, and it is still one of the showers that I'm very, very proud of. Next up is this heavenly themed baby shower that I hosted for my sister in love, and when she gave birth to my nephew Christopher, and I absolutely loved the way that it turned out. Nautical themed showers were very, very, very popular, and this nautical themed baby shower that took place in Lux Studio was no exception. I absolutely loved the way that it all turned out and how different it looked from the nautical themed shower that I had done earlier that year. So it is possible to do events, the same event, but make it look totally different, even though it has the same theme or maybe even the same color scheme. You can still make it look extremely different. Next up was this Coming to America King themed baby shower, Prince themed baby shower. I love this because I use a very bold red color, which was very different for baby showers. It's for our godson Zaire, and it turned out absolutely amazing. You guys remember this Twinkle Twinkle Little Star baby shower? It turned out so cute. I love the oversized centerpieces along with the uplighting that made it look like more like celestial. So I really love the way that shower turned out. And then my most recent boy themed baby shower, which was a bear themed baby shower for my cousin that was held in Greenville earlier this year. I absolutely love the way that it turned out, and you can just kind of really see the difference in the design, along with how much I've grown in terms of a designer, all of the elements, the details, the napkin rings from Totally Dazzle, the plating, the menu cards, the play setting. It just really took it to the next level. Not that the other ones weren't nice, because they were. They were absolutely incredible. I think that it just overall shows my progress over time, but just being able to go in and transform a space, take a theme that is used time and time again and make it your own, really shows how much you can grow as a designer. So that is where we are in terms of the boy-themed baby showers to date, and I'm going to close it out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know what tip or something that I said in this video that resonated with you the most. I hope this video was very enriching and enlightening for each of you. I love, sharing, and now I have a platform in which I'm able to share continuously with you guys and train you guys to become certified event planners, designers, decorators, and coordinators. So if you're interested in this online training exclusively with me, be sure to visit me at www.luxacademy.podia.com. I will also leave the link here. I'll see you guys soon, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!